US30 closed the week at a highs, failing to break past our resistance zone for the week at 36 250 300. We have seen US30 forming a direct cross. Does it mean that it is bound to crash? Does it mean that it is going to drop from the current levels, or there is a possibility for a breakout? Can we expect US30 to rally from the current levels towards 37,000 levels, or there is a crash in waiting? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week and for the month of December. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release twice a day updates on US30 every day. So do visit, do watch every day, and do like, share, and comment. That's always a greater motivation. Let's start first to look into 4-hour charts. Look at this red line which is coming in, and this is there in my channel, there in my charts since long. See, multiple attempts to break past by failing to do so, we have always seen a pull. Does it mean that can we expect a reversal here? At the same time, on the downside, there is a stronger support is seen here at 36,000. Now, US30 is just trading within the box 36,000 to 36,300. We have to wait for a clear-cut direction of prices is either staying below 36,000 levels and 35,800 levels, or staying above 36,300 in order to confirm further rise. Now, if you observe, yes, it is a sideways movement. Again, on the downside, 200, 100, and 36,000 are three support levels which you should watch out for. Now, also notice, see, this is a larger channel in which US30 is trading. This is the bottom. It has achieved to the highs, and a break here can bring sharper bearishness. How far it can break? See, the bottom is far below 33,000 levels, but right now it is not showing any signs of a bearish breakout. Now, also notice on the 4-hour chart, price is taking the support from the 20 period moving average, started to look upwards, and yes, the 20 period moving average has not crossed over since last 1 month. It is continuing to diverge, continuing to stay bullish, and we have seen in last few sessions that always prices take the support from the 20 period and shows a rally. So can it break out on the above 36,300? Let's have a look. Stochastic back to overbought levels. Yes. MACD. Now see, MACD showing good waves here, and now again crossing over at the bottom, which can call for the bulls. RSI dropped. It was overbought. It has dropped a bit, now trying to come back in the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, see, first of all, the lows here are respected almost 35,900. Very good support is seen here. Yes, these are the lows or the bottom of the channel, 35,900, 800. We have to be careful of these levels. Next is the only worry point is the divergence of the price from the moving average, 35,500 and 34,500. See, these 1,000 points divergence between the 20 and 100 period moving average, that is too much. But right now it has crossed over just a month back, and it is continuing to diverge on the upside. Now look at the movement here. It is just trading within the box here. It has to come out of the box. 4 retracement candles, couple of bullish candles. The next candle might take it further high. We will look forward to 36,400 levels as the next destination. And beyond, see, 36,300 anyways is the resistance. Beyond 36,300 we can look forward to 400 levels, and beyond 36,400 levels, the highs at 36,600, 37,000 levels are waiting for us. Yes, staying beyond 36,300, 400 levels, certainly more bullishness will prevail here. In fact, 36,260, 300 itself is a greater resistance. Last week also I have mentioned, again I am mentioning here. Now also notice, yes, moving averages are still looking upwards. Prices are just waiting for the moving average to climb up. And yes, it may try to take the support from this 20 period at some point of time, but right now it is not showing any signs, just waiting for a breakout. The stochastic has dropped without any significant movement on the price. It is already at the peak, but the stochastic has dropped. And that's the beauty of indicators. Look at the MACD. This is what I will look forward to. Crossover. It is not showing any signs of crossover, and it does not mean that it cannot rise further. See, this was the previous highs. Yes, it is an extremely overbought level, but it does not mean that it cannot continue to rise. It can move towards further highs. Look at the highs here. So yes, for next few weeks it can continue to rise if it stays above 36,300, 400 levels, we can expect US30 to move towards 37,000 levels. The another worry point here is the RSI staying overbought. Though it does not mean that it cannot sustain these overbought levels, it can. Coming to the on the weekly charts, we can see price is taking support here on the downside from this, and on the upside there are resistances here. It is almost at the highs here for this. Thus, we have to wait for it to give a breakout above 36,300, 400. Once the prices gives a breakout, yes, notice this fact. See, right now it is forming a death cross, but once the price breaks out beyond 36,400, we are looking forward to a stronger move. See, this will become the base, and this next candle is going to decide the direction. We can look forward to see 36,500, also one of the milestones, but I will look forward to 36,700 and 37,000 levels. The next worry point here is the divergence of the price from the 20 period. This is extreme divergence on the weekly chart. Now see the 20 period sitting at 34,500 and the 100 period sitting at 33,500. Right now prices are at 36,300, 250 levels. So almost 2,000 points from the 20 period and 3,000 points from the 50 period. So the higher it rises from these levels, the chances of pullback will be very, very strong. And that is why I say we have to be watchful at 36,300, 400 zone for this week. And beyond that, it can continue to rise. It can continue to diverge more. And then probably we may see a drop later. But yes, do not forget that this is a death cross as well. Death crosses are famous for a reversal. Yes, we can expect a reversal. A stochastic extremely overbought on the weekly charts. It does not mean that it cannot sustain it for a couple of weeks. It can, but a fall is what? It is imminent. It is there. It has to be there. The worry point is how high it can take. Certainly, the double top levels, that is at close to 37,000 levels, is what could be the tipping point for US30. But look at MACD. MACD is divergent. It is bullish. Just 3 candles. It can continue to yield couple or more bullish candles from here. And it is just after forming the double bottom, it has just started to look upwards. It has further potential for it to rise. However, though the stochastic is overbought, there has to be a slight pullback. RSI rising as well. Coming to the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, this is the second bullish candle in making. 3 red candles, 1 extreme bullish candle, flat top, and the second candle has started. This is trading in green. Only thing is it has to break past beyond 36,400 levels here. Once it stays beyond 36,400 levels, certainly we are looking forward to 37,000 levels in this month itself, and in fact it can rise further highs before looking any downside. Yes, it is trading in this channel. It has to come out of this in order to achieve further highs. Now the further highs on the upside are a little distant, 39,000 levels, if it continues to rally from the current levels. Let's see if it does. A stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence, first bullish candle. It can continue to trade in green for a couple or for a while. See this? US30 is famous for rising from the current levels and forming higher highs. Higher highs means sky highs. Yes, if it continues to rise from the current level, which is not possible. Yes, it is at extremely overbought levels. It has to retrace before rising. But right now, for this month, a breakout above 36,400 certainly should be a sign that you should not be selling US30, and rather it is a buy the dips level. RSI is rising as well. So now we have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can definitely buy. And yes, if we have a webinar coming in this weekend where tomorrow on Sunday we are going to take a holistic view of the markets, indices, commodities, and dollar together, and we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. This is a 1-hour free webinar, and I'll be taking up your live questions as well. Do not miss this opportunity. Let's interact more. Enroll for the webinar. It's a free session. The link is there in my communities tab in my channel and video description as well. In my communities tab on this channel, you'll find the details. You will find the details also on my free Telegram channel and on my mentorship on the platform www.forexfunda.com. Do visit the platform. It also gives you much wider range of services, including the availability of economic calendar, the charts, the availability of experts where you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance, the community, everything is there. Do visit the platform there. Now, let's talk about the levels to buy. 36,260, you can buy. Expect 36,300 first resistance, 36,400 is the next, and then 36,500. Yes, we are just talking in hundreds, and these are the resistances. Definitely, these are the milestones US30 needs to break past by. Specifically, once it stays above 36,400, do not think of selling US30, and once it stays above 36,500, we are looking forward to the next price points at around 36,650, 36,740, and then in fact I will look forward to 37,000 levels in the coming week or in the month of December. Yes, it can scale past these highs as well and move beyond 37,000 as well. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 36,180 levels. Below 36,180, we can expect it to move towards 36,140, 36,100, 36,050, and 36,000. In fact, even if it breaks below 36,000, 35,950, 35,900, and then 35,800. These are the support levels. It is only to be treated bearish if it breaks below 35,800. This is going to be the levels below which you can say there are bears. Else 35,800, 3900, 35,900, and 36,000. Three important support levels. Below 35,800, direct lending is for 35,500 and towards 35,200 levels. Yes, it can continue to crash more if it stays below 35,500 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel on Telegram, and do not miss to join the free webinar series. All the links are there in the channel and video description, and you'll find the same in my free Telegram channel or in my platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.